त्यावेळेस कोणत्या शेतीत कोणतं सोबत पिकवायचं आणि विदाऊट केमिकल्स झाडांना कशी वागवायचं, पिकं कशी मोठी करायची, त्यावेळेस त्यांनी जीवामृत बनवायचं पण सांगितलेलं. ते आता ह्यावेळेस आम्ही वरच्या प्लॉटमध्ये एक खतं घातले.
Overall, this activity and experience with all these teams were awesome. So I would say, like, really thanks to Agro Rangers.
It was a different experience to connect with the farmer community and understand their day-to-day problems. And this is a really good way of maintaining harmony with the nature. I really like the concept, their purpose. They are basically enabling the farmers with the knowledge, and they are providing the platform.
Said that we have family doctors, but we don't have family farmer. So that's a need of ours right now, I feel. And now I also want my family farmer, and I think I found here one. So that's really a great thing that happened to me today.
खरोखर अतिशय हा चांगला उपक्रम आहे आणि हा वाढत गेला पाहिजे आणि सध्या तरी हा एक पर्टिक्युलर गावापुरता मर्यादित आहे, तो सिटीपर्यंत पोहोचला पाहिजे.